The Banawi rice terraces is a product of almost 2 millenniums of ifugao agricultural engineering. In the past, the marvelous place was also known as the eighth wonder of the world. It was proclaimed as an UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1993 and cited as a priceless contribution of Philippine ancestors to humanity. The structure's original builders used stone and mud walls to carefully carve and construct terraces that could hold flooded ponds fields for the cultivation of rice. They also established a system to water these plots by harvesting water from mountain-top forests. These incredible engineering feats were done by hands, as was farming itself. In 2001, the site was placed on the list of World Heritage in danger, and it remains there today. The ifugao rice terraces, which follows the natural contour of the mountains, only enhance the region's rugged natural beauty. These also epitomize a harmonic, sustainable relationship between humans and their environment. These fields, the knowledge to farm and sustain them, have been passed down from generation to generation for centuries.